So we're in our Harpenden project. This is the end of the week. This is day 5. We've got the edging in and our hardcore base. This is a minimum 100mm thick, compacted. This edging was reclaimed from the original garden. We've managed to utilise all of it apart from one piece, which is a great bit of recycling on our behalf. If you remember, the magnolia was already here, so we've done the planting around. Got some nice tertiary balls, salvia, a bit of crocosmia, George Davison, some leucanthemum, lots of my little favourite plants in this bed. And this bed will be finished with cobbles and pebbles and some rocks to give a nice decorative feel. We also planted up this bed. We've got this beautiful acer sitting in the dapple shade here, the lime, lime marmalade, heucheras, nice singy colour. This will also be a cobble and pebble bed with a few boulders in. Ultimately there's going to be a water feature here. I wanted to put in a bit of a feature in the interim period, so I found these 2 pots which I thought pretty cool, interesting texture on it, so I've put those in. We've also got the shed basin over there, well, the shed frontage in, and we've got our chunky deck in. This will be sanded and oiled to finish. It's up on these chunky sleepers. The idea is there's a screen behind it long term. Nice little area for the kids to put some bean bags out on and just chill out in the sunshine. And this is a bit of a sun trap, this corner. In the afternoon, in the evening, the other corner gets the evening sun, so that'll be the area for the fire pit. So that's the end of week 1. Thank you.